Hi guys, Super Sam once again, and welcome to another episode of How to Tutorials. In this very episode, I'm going to show you how you can reuse your selection set for animation in Blender 2.80. So let's get started. So I have my character in this scene that has been rigged with Rigify, and I also have some selection sets that have been created on a character that was rigged with Rigify. So for this technique to work, your rig system must be the same between all characters that you need to use the selection sets for. So the first thing I want to do is go to the other scene where I have my selection set. And this is the scene, and to show you that the selection set works, I'm going to click on the finger and select, and now you can see the finger has been selected. Also, I'll try the second set, which is the face, and hit the select button, and you can see the face is also selected. Okay, so that means my selection set is working properly. And to copy this selection set, I'm going to click on the check boxes to select all the sets. If you have more sets, you click on all the check boxes here, and then click on this arrow and copy selection set. So once the selection sets are copied, I can go to my scene where I need the selection sets. So clicking on the rig, under selection sets, I'm going to paste the selection sets, and now I have my selection sets in the new scene. So to test if everything works fine, I can select the finger and hit the select button to see that the fingers are now selected. Also, I can hit the select button for the face set, and now you can see the face has been selected also. And if for any reason you want to take out any of these selection sets, you can easily do that by clicking on the particular set and hitting the minus button to take it out, so you can have a clean sheet. And if you want to create a new selection set, I recommend you watch the video of how to create a selection set that had been done on this platform. So this brings us to the end of this particular episode. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you've not done so. Also, hit on the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload new videos like this. And until next time, keep blending your creativity.